Spreadsheets can only go so far. If you work in planning, reporting, or community outreach, mapping can help you visualize priorities and communicate more clearly. Mapping Public Health is a no-cost, self-paced course designed to help you turn information into visual tools that support your goals. You'll learn how to use ArcGIS Online to map local trends, build dashboards, and create story maps for reports, briefings, and presentations.
We designed this course to be approachable and useful, even for those new to mapping tools. By the end, you'll be able to create visuals that help your work speak for itself. Through 10 hands-on modules, you will explore location-based tools, complete a final project, and build a portfolio you can use in your day-to-day work. Join the course today. Map what matters. Make data work for you. Register today at zeus.tsus.edu.